Hi there, welcome again to the channel. It's been a while since I did a video again. I mean, for you it's only 1 week, but for me it's about 1 month and a half or maybe 2 months. So it is peak summer in the island, so 30 degrees pretty much every day, 32, 33 of a max. So yeah, pretty hot. And today I have to do some errands, and I just found a new store. Well, I mean, it's not new, but for me it's new, kind of. It's a, how do you call it? A construction site kind of mix that you have pretty much everything. I don't know. It's like a jack of all trades store. So I'm going to show you around because yeah, pretty much it has everything. When I mean everything, is like everything: plants, food, wood, iron, construction, tools, you name it. Has pretty much all you need for your house. So I just found it the other day, like roaming around, and I thought it would be a cool video to show you one of these stores and see the prices and all the weird stuff of Japan, because there are so many unique things in construction business like this. So for the business, and afterwards maybe have some lunch and on that day or something else. Yeah, that will be the video for today. Pretty much like an everyday life video, but you know, I'm just showing you around the island. So fun enough, right? See you in the business, construction site business. So it's been already half a year since I moved to Okinawa, and I have to say that the life in the island is pretty much how I looked at it. It's pretty chill, but it is boro boro. I mean, everything in Japan is so clean and new, and they renew everything pretty much every year, but here you can feel the old. It's not a bad thing, but infrastructure, buildings and all this stuff, they are quite old, and you can feel it in the people's way of doing things. They don't care so much about new stuff, and they don't treat like their goods so well that they could resell it. It is quite a, I don't know how to call it. It's a quite different way of thinking. So yeah, that's what I feel in this half a year in Okinawa. And actually, this week is my anniversary in Japan. It has marked 3 years in Japan already. So it looks like it was yesterday. I was taking pictures in Kyoto and be fascinated with everything. But already, yeah, 3 years has passed. Yeah, it feels like we are like a miracle. So for so long in my life, I wanted to be in Japan and to explore it, but I never thought it possible to live here and to work here as one of the multiple international staff that are working and living here. So yeah, quite a surprising that my life took a turnaround to be here for so long. I don't know how much long I will be here, but for the moment I'm enjoying it. And look at this view, man. Okinawa is so beautiful. But yeah, surprising stuff happens in your life, I guess. So the other day, actually the day before yesterday, I took the Nihongo Noriku Shiken, the Japanese proficiency test for the max level N1, and in a month and a half I will get the results, so keep tuned for that. Probably I will fail it because it's so freaking difficult, but nonetheless I took the challenge. And half a year ago I took the N2, the previous level, right? I passed like a super tight Yeah, it was like a lucky, I don't know, lucky punch, you will call it. But yeah, I passed it. No one can tell me otherwise, so yeah, quite happy about that result. And let's see if I can get the max level. It will be a super achievement for me because my whole I want to do in Japan was to explore and also to be proficiency in Japanese and to have the max level on this proficiency test. And yeah, I'm close to it. In 3 years past, quite a feat. So I don't know what to tell you. I'm super happy about it. So doing an errand and see you in the business construction thingy. Bye. That definitely looks like rain. It was not supposed to rain today. You know, Okinawa is so famous for those skulls. This scarf? How do you call it? I don't know. Like season showers. So yeah. Great example for Okinawa's weather. You know, I always find a lot of policemen over this area, and the reason is this. This is the major police area, the main police station in the area, so I always find a lot of police over here, and I just found out the other day why it was. Couldn't figure it out before, like, oh my god, I'm always crossing so many policemen over here, what's happening over here? It's so dangerous this place or whatever, but no. And I got caught one time, like passing a red light, but nobody needs to know about that. And the place I wanted to show you today is this one, Makerman, or I don't know how to call it, a good translation. And the place for the bikes is over there only? Oh. ハリセンボン風か。
自分だって朝早く出てくる。4連の9、家庭用品担当さん、家庭用品担当さん、来世1223までお願いします。
This one is quite cheap. Seems like reclining. Cool. I'm always thinking about trying one of these for ground sitting. Yeah, probably it will be a waste. To hang clothes, you have one row only for that. Knives are so expensive in Japan, but they cut so well that it's worth it. Look at this, it's $130 just for a knife. But yeah, they are amazing. Heavy duty mats. 4,000 yen. Ah, not bad. You have everything in this freaking store. Look, we are going to the weird areas. This one is a dishwasher. No, actually, this one is a dryer. This one is a washer. So, $400 for a dryer. And this one is one of those items that are super helpful when you don't have a proper kitchen in your house. Just buy one of these, 2,000 yen, $20. Goes to the power outlet and you have a place to cook. Amazing. I will have one of those in my car or something. And as I told you, you have food as well in this place. And one thing that Japan is known for is the art supplies. It's just mind-blowing. Look, stamps. I'm seeing this thing more and more these days. You wear it around your neck, you put it like this, and it blows some air to your face, like this girl. Yeah, I don't know, man. But you see, you have a lot of from to choose. They are quite popular, I guess. We sat for a big mallet to make mochi. Oh, we're going in an adventure, Gordon Freeman style. They even have helmets. This place is so freaking wide. Weird stuff. You know, there are so many products in Japan that you don't really know what they are for and how people can buy those anyway. Like, what the fuck? She's definitely having a blast. Food section, you are always bound to find curry, ramen, soup. That's a must in every corner. And then you have like snacks and stuff, but yeah, not so much. But yeah, quite impressive for a place like this.